To trade options in Webull, you first need to open a Webull account and ensure it is approved for options trading. Once your account is approved, navigate to the Webull platform and search for the stock you want to trade options on. Click on the stock symbol to open its details page. Then select the Options tab. In the Options tab, you can view available contracts, including call and put options with different strike prices and expiration dates. To place an options trade, select the contract you want to buy or sell. Then click on the Buy or Sell button. This will open an order screen where you can enter the number of contracts you want to trade in. Review the details of your order. Before placing your trade, make sure you understand the type of option you are trading and the risks involved. Call options give the buyer the right to buy the underlying stock at the strike price, while put options give the buyer the right to sell the underlying stock at the strike price. It is also important to consider the expiration date of the option, as it will become worthless if it expires out of the money. Additionally, options trading involves risk, including the potential to lose the entire amount invested. To manage your risk, consider using stop-loss orders or position sizing strategies. A stop-loss order will automatically close your position if it reaches a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Position sizing strategies involve allocating a specific amount of capital to each trade, based on your overall investment goals and risk tolerance. Finally, monitor your options trades closely and be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. This may involve rolling your position to a different strike price or expiration date, or closing your position to lock in profits or limit losses. By following these steps and using the tools and features available in Webull, you can trade options effectively and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always prioritize risk management and trade with discipline and patience.